In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly change a tag type in Revit. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to swap a tag from one style to another so your drawings stay clear and aligned with your standards. Start by selecting the tag you want to change. A single click is all it takes. You'll know you've got the right thing when the tag highlights and you see its options appear. Make sure you're selecting the actual tag, not the element it references, so the tools you need become available. With the tag selected, look over to the Properties palette. You'll usually find it docked along the left or right side of your screen. This palette shows everything about the selected item. If it looks narrow, it may be collapsed. Hovering over it should reveal the full panel. The key idea here is that the Properties palette is the control center for what you've selected, and for tags, it's where the type can be switched. At the very top of the Properties palette, locate the Type Selector drop-down. This is a small box that displays the current tag type name with a drop-down arrow on the right. It sits above the list of instance properties. If you see a list of parameters like text size or leader settings you're looking too low, move your eyes to the very top of the palette to find the type selector, open the type selector and choose the new tag type you want. You'll see options like door tag, window tag and other tag families that are already available in your project. The naming and number of options can vary depending on your templates and company standards, but the process is the same. Pick the type that matches your intent. As soon as you select it, Revit applies that type to the tag you selected, and that's it. The tag updates right away. You should immediately notice the graphics, labels, or formatting change to reflect the new type. This is a quick, non-destructive swap, so you can experiment with different tag types to find the one that best communicates the information you need. If the look or behavior of the tag isn't what you expect, double check that the type selector shows the desired option and that you had the correct tag selected before making the change. To recap the flow, select the tag, head to the Properties palette, use the type selector at the top, pick the new tag type, and watch it update instantly. It's a fast, reliable way to keep your